channel. Today I am going to explain auto transformer theory. Okay, in this video we will learn what is auto transformer. Auto transformer works on the which principle and construction of the auto transformer. Next, advantages and application of the auto transformer. Okay, let us start. So first friends, I will define the auto transformer. I will give the definition of auto transformer. Okay, before giving the definition of auto transformer, I would like to show you a simple diagram. Okay, so first I took a coil here. So this is a single winding. Okay, I name it as single winding. Okay, then next I have given a power supply. AC supply. The current going inside the single winding, I said I1. Okay, next, so I name it as this is the plus and this is the minus. I extended the minus wire like this. Then next I take a tapping. Here I took a tapping from middle of the single winding. So then again, so next I connected a load. Name it as RL. Okay, so the current going inside the load, I said I2. Okay, so the remaining current flowing in this remaining winding, we say I2 minus I1. Okay, this is clear. So next I am going to define auto transformer definition. Okay, auto transformer is a transformer which is having single winding. Okay, which acts as a primary winding as well as secondary winding. Means, suppose this point is A, this point is B and this point is C. Okay, so point between the point A and C, I said primary winding. Okay, so the point between the B and C, I said secondary winding. Okay, like this, the voltage across the point A and C, I said V1. Similarly, the voltage across the point B and C, I said V2. Okay, here I will write here V2. Clear? So what is the definition of transformer winding? What is the definition of auto transformer? Auto transformer is a transformer having single winding which acts as a primary winding as well as secondary winding. Okay, this is the definition of auto transformer. So next we will see auto transformer works on the which principle. Okay, we know that the two winding transformer works on the principle of mutual induction. Like this, here also auto transformer works on the principle of self induction. Means the two winding transformer and auto transformer both works on the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. That is the main principle. Okay, again in this the auto transformer works on the self induction. Okay, this is important. Self induction. Okay, this is the working principle of a auto transformer. Okay, we know that what is self induction. I already explained in the first chapter. Okay, in two winding transformer, self induction, mutual induction, I already explained all these things. So I will explain it shortcut. Self induction means Suppose this is a coil. When I pass a current, the magnetic field is induced in this coil. Okay, this field links with itself. Okay, link with itself. Okay, induces a voltage. Okay, this process we say self-induction. Okay, so this is the definition of the self-induction. What is self-induction? Self-induction means whenever a current is passing through a coil, the magnetic field is induced in it. The induced magnetic field link itself with the coil. Okay, it produces a voltage. Okay, means EMF is induced in that coil. Okay, so this is known as self-induction. Okay, same here. When I pass a current in a single winding coil, okay, the EMF is induced in it. I said E1 or V1. Okay, I said E1. Okay, so next what I have done, I took the portion of the voltage by tapping method. Okay, this voltage we say secondary voltage. Okay friends, this is completed auto transformer definition and working principle. Next we will see construction. This is the construction. Okay, in construction there are step up transformer and step down transformer. Okay, this is the step down transformer. Okay, this is the step down transformer because the secondary voltage is less than the primary. The secondary winding voltage is less than the primary winding voltage. That's why this is a step down transformer. Like this, suppose if the secondary winding is taking from point A and C, then the secondary winding voltage is greater than the primary voltage, then we will say step up transformer. Okay, so the important point is transformation ratio. This is very important point. We know that in the two winding transformer, the transformer ratio is I1 divided by I2 equals to N2 divided by N1 equals to K. Okay, so like here also, like this, in auto transformer also, the transformation ratio is I1 means I1 as it is. Okay, I1 as it is. So I2 means here, this is I1 plus I2 minus I1. This is the I2. Okay, I2 means I1 plus I2 minus I1. Okay, so N2 minus N1 is as it is. What is the N2 here? N2 means the number of turns between the B and C. Okay, B and C divided by A and C. Okay, BC means N2, this is the N2, and AC means N1. Okay, here the K means K, A. Okay, in place of K we put it A. Okay, this is the transformation ratio of a auto transformer. So next we will see. Okay, so this A transformation ratio A, if it is greater than 1, that is a step up transformer. Okay, step up transformer, step up auto transformer, step up auto transformer. If transformation ratio is less than 1, that is step down transformer, step down auto transformer. Okay, this is very important point. Okay, this point will come in the examination. Okay, if the auto transformation in auto transformer, if the transformation ratio is greater than 1, the transformer we will say step up auto transformer. If the transformation ratio is less than 1, we will say step down auto transformer. This is very important point. So the next we will see what is the advantages. What are the advantages of auto transformer? Okay, advantages. Okay, So the first advantage is it is less small in size. Okay, small in size. Because of small in size, it is having less weight. Okay, it is having less weight. Okay, so because it is having less weight and it is less cost. Okay, less cost. Okay, and it is having less cost, so it is having higher efficiency also. Efficiency is same to two winding transformer. Okay, the efficiency of a auto transformer is same as two winding transformer at the same rating. Okay, this is important point, same rating. So last is, this is better voltage regulation. Fifth point is better voltage regulation. Okay, this is the fifth point. Better voltage regulation means we can vary the voltage as we required. Okay friends, this is completed advantages of auto transformer. Next we will see what are the applications of auto transformer. Okay, this is last. What are the application of auto transformer? This is the last. Okay, so the first application is, it is used in a fluorescent lamp. Okay, this is the first application. So second application is, you can see in the board. Okay, this is the first application. This is used in the fluorescent lamp. Second application is, it is used as a starter. Okay, in motors. Okay, so third application is series line booster. Okay, this is important. Series line booster. This is very important application. Auto transformer. What is the application of auto transformer? Auto transformers can be used as a series line booster. This is very important. Okay. So finally, the application of auto transformer is servo line voltage correction. Okay friends. So this is your auto transformer chapter completed. If you having any query, you can send me in the WhatsApp group or you can write in the comment section. Okay friends. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.